Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Orange color, purple color, blue color, red color, chocolate color, light green color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart and star. First we're going to draw the shapes. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star, now we're going to put the color. Green color, hexagon, chocolate color, circle, blue color, pentagon, purple color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, star, what we learn? We learn green color, hexagon, chocolate color, circle, blue color, pentagon, purple color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.